Taiwan healthcare. Looking at healthcare, Taiwan's healthcare quality ranked number 1 among 93 countries in the 2019 Healthcare Index. Small but business busy, Taiwan is also a high-income economy, with GDP ranking 20th among 193 countries and regions tracked by IMF in 2020. Taiwan's 23.6 million population is aging quickly due to a continuously reducing birth rate and longer life expectancy. We're looking at a super-aged society by the year 2026 and also one of the fastest aging populations in the world. According to Taiwan's National Health Insurance Administration, the older the age, the more spent per capita on healthcare. 40% of NHI annual expenditures are covering patients aged 65 and over, so an aging population will also mean a smaller workforce, which the government is working on by increasing its budgets on long-term care services. With strong support from government policy on new healthcare solutions integration and also active roles of advanced ICT infrastructure lies great opportunities for UK digital healthcare services to expand and grow in this market. On UK-Taiwan bilateral trade, UK is Taiwan's third biggest trading partner in Europe. UK exports to Taiwan grew by 40.8% and bilateral trade rose by 16.4% in 2018. A very popular topic in Taiwan healthcare is the 5+2 Industries Plan. It's an industry policy set out by the Taiwanese government that focuses on the transformation of Taiwan's industrial development, aiming to create innovations, more jobs, and a more equitable wealth distribution by region. One of the industries whose importance is highly ranked is the biomedical industry that focuses on 3 subsectors, which are applied biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, and high-end medical devices. As more resources are poured into promoting the 5+2 Industries Plan, a long period of investment has produced a solid foundation with an ecosystem spanning the entire biomedical value chain, including research, discovery and development, to manufacturing and marketing. We're also seeing more and more businesses making investments into digital transformation and innovative technologies. If we just look at domestically, the market sales excluding export revenues reached $16 billion in 2019. In the next slides, I will talk a bit on the overview of digital health and advanced therapy developments in the market. As mentioned previously, the Taiwan government is supporting digital transformation of healthcare through pilot projects, deregulation, and investments. Industry strengths include high adoption of electronic medical records, high quality of medical data, strong foundation for hardware and software engineering, and there is also a mature supply chain for IoT and medical devices. Opportunities lie in health information technologies, so if you have any platforms and tools to integrate fragmented EMR databases, or if you are able to share data securely, these are highly preferred. For telehealth and MIoT, any software and protocol for use and management of medical IoT devices, especially for mobile apps and at-home care, that is highly adopted by end users as well. For AI and big data, if you have already foreign market approval such as US FDA or EUA for AI for use as medical device, especially for niche or rare disease areas, these are quite popular too. For blockchain, if you have any solutions for patient record management, for inter-institution transfer, and also supply chain security. The government is supporting the development of the advanced therapies market via approving key projects and regulations. The industry's strengths include strong next-generation sequencing technology, cell harvesting and storage, medical center support, transparent and safe regulatory measures. So the business opportunities are for precision medicine and next-generation sequencing, that is data integration, unique molecular diagnostic tools. For cell therapy, any innovative solutions or protocols that can be used during the cell production facility supply chain, and also for cell processing technology. Tips for doing business. It is always best to understand the healthcare market first. The technologies platforms that are used often uses the universal language such as English, but localized language such as Mandarin is often highly preferred. It is also important to find the right partners. Partnering with local systems integrators, distributors, or resellers is highly advised for foreign companies. Using a sales team outside of Taiwan is difficult due to language and cultural barriers, along with high expectations of after-sales support. It is also best to study the local regulations before deciding to enter the market. There are three main in-country events that happens in July, BioAsia Taiwan. It is more a trade show, so if you're looking for export or import of any healthcare services or products, you're welcome to join this one. There is also a Medical Taiwan in October for hospital healthcare services, and a very similar one to Medical Taiwan, which is called Healthcare Expo Taiwan, that happens at the end of the year in December. And that concludes the overview of Taiwan healthcare. If you need any more details, you're always welcome to contact me directly at fandy.chen@fcdo.gov.uk. Thank you for listening.